Do you want to know?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you are new here, I'm Blizzyivy, and if you are a returning subscriber, you are also welcome. If you are stopping by for the second time and if you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit on the red subscribe button to subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out my new videos. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make aloe vera oil for fast hair growth at home. So without further ado, let's get on to the video. Guys, so I have my large aloe vera here. I got it at the supermarket, African supermarket, and if you need it, you can get it there, because I was so surprised when I saw this aloe vera and it's 2 euro something. So just have 3 euro with you, you get a good aloe vera. So guys, this is the aloe vera I'll be using, and it's very large. I'm not going to use everything. I will just cut it into half and use some part of it, and then we'll store the other one in the fridge and use it next time. The gel is very okay and it's still intact, and this is the part I will store in the fridge because I'm not going to use it. It's too much. I just want to make a little oil from it. So this is how to store your aloe vera. You can use foil paper. I'm just going to wrap it around the side that I already cut and store it in the fridge. With this, you can store it up to a week or more. So now this time to cut the aloe vera into tiny pieces, and make sure before you use your aloe vera, you have to wash it. Make sure that it's clean before using it. So guys, you have to be careful with the tongues or the side of the aloe vera, and you have to cut it out before start cutting it, and you have to be gentle with the aloe vera. You have to be gentle with using the knife. You know aloe vera is slippery, so you have to be careful while cutting it so you don't end up cutting your hand. Aloe vera have a lot of benefits on both the hair and the skin, and aloe vera is very good in hair growth. It promotes hair growth and it makes hair thick and shine. So you can use the oil every day. What you need to do, just rub it on your scalp, and then you can use it on your skin also. So guys, like we were doing before, just start cutting the aloe vera into tiny pieces because of the blending method I want to use. So that's why I'm cutting it into these pieces. Like I'm done cutting it, so I'm just going to transfer it to my blender and then blend without adding water. You don't need water, just blend it like that. So guys, now I'm done blending it, and here is the aloe vera liquid I need. So guys, I'm just going to turn it into an hot pan, and then add extra virgin oil. You can use coconut oil, you can use almond oil. I didn't measure it, I'm just pouring it on it until satisfied. So I will let it cook for some few minutes until it become brown, and then I will let it cool down, completely cool down before straining out the oil. So like this is okay. Then now I'm going to strain the oil out using a sieve, then like so, as you can see what I'm doing. Hey guys, so I'm done straining the oil, and the next thing I'll do is to store it on a dark bottle. So for extra scent and long preservation, I went ahead to add essential oil to it, and that is it. Our oil is ready. So this is the end of this video. If you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, do subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.